أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal and I'm again from www.islamiclasses.com. Today we are going to start again one another video tutorials which we call Masnoon Dua as on requested from the pupil. We are going to design these new tutorials for the pupil who cannot read duas properly in Tajweed rules. That's why I am here, and inshallah I will try my best to teach you in very easy way with Tajweed rules, and you will find some colors. So today is the first dua, and this dua is entering the masjid. So let us start now. I will read first, you should repeat after me, and if you have any question regarding Tajweed rules or anything else, inshallah step by step I will teach everything. You can watch my other videos of Makharij, and we have uploaded that as well. Inshallah soon we will upload Sifat tutorials. So but right now we started these Masnoon Duas tutorials. Okay, so first I will read, you should read after me and very carefully listen. And first I want to explain the colors which we have used in this Arabic words. Whenever you find the green color, you should read bold sound there, bold or heavy sound. When I will read, you follow and listen carefully how to read bold. Okay, look this red color, so you should make ghunna sound, right? Inshallah I will tell how you will. And when you find the blue colors, you should make the qalqala sound there, and which we call the bouncing sound. All right. And whenever green letters come, I already told to you in the beginning, you will make again the heavy or the bold sound. All right. And the other is very easy and simple letters like a black colors, simple general letters. Okay, now we start. So first I will read. Okay, now we start. Allahumma right? Carefully listen. I am making this Allah name in bold sound. You should repeat after me and also read this Allah name in bold sound. Allah, right? Allah. You cannot say Allah, that is wrong. So make sure to read bold sound. Allahumma Allahumma right? And on the meme is gunna sound, so make gunna and hold the sound of meme into nose for a while, or you can say for 1 second. Allahumma right? And the next we say Allahumma maftah, right? If we connect, we say maftah. Allahumma ftah. The next is li, because there is a mad sign, so we say li, and then we say again together Allahumma ftah li abwaba. Look, on the blue color I'm making a bouncing sound, and this is you can say this is a weak kalkala, because there are categories in kalkala. So the one is a weak kalkala, the second is strong, and the third is a strongest, right? So right now this is the weak. Inshallah I will tell also these rules in the next tutorials, so just pay attention right now. The weak kalkala you will make abwaba, abwaba, ab, right? Look the sound. If we make more strong, that is ab, that is wrong, right? So make sure weak kalkala abwaba, abwaba. The last one is rahmatik, or you can say rahmatika, rahmatika. If you stop, you can say rahmatik, rahmatik. In the cough sound, when you pronounce, so make a flowing sound. The very little sound comes like the air is flowing, like we say tick, tick, k, like k sound is the flowing sound. Rah, rah on this place as well. Rahmatik, rahmatik. Right? Now just repeat the whole after me. Allahumma ftah li, Allahumma ftah li abwaba, abwaba rahmatika, rahmatika. Now you try again, and I read the whole again. Allahumma ftah li abwaba rahmatika. You understand this? And inshallah, in the next class, we will come with another Muslim dua, and just keep watching these tutorials. And if you have any question regarding tajweed rules, or you would like to suggest me any other tutorials, inshallah I will try my best to come with that videos and tutorials. Just give me your suggestion, and I have a nice day, and take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.